What up, my friends? Hope you guys are well. In this video, I want to talk about graduation, college graduation to be specific. There are many people that are graduating from college right now in the United States, and I want to say congratulations to all the new graduates. And greetings from my village over here in Africa. I'm sitting under my favorite tree. This is what we call the baobab tree. And check out my village. Again, congratulations for your achievement, because graduating from college or achieving anything in life is a big deal. A lot of college graduates I'm seeing are posting on social media. They're very excited. Graduation ceremonies, there are plenty of pictures, and I'm truly happy for these graduates. In as much as they're very happy about graduation, there's one thing that a lot of people are not talking about, which is the lack of jobs in the market. See, I'm over here in Africa, and there are plenty of people here that also graduate from colleges, universities over here in Africa, and there are no jobs. The weirdest thing that I see are people that hold PhDs that drive Uber. So you see a PhD graduate driving for Uber here. It's very common, by the way, because there are no jobs. A lot of Americans, the younger generation, we've been programmed to become wage slaves. Go to school, graduate, look for a job. That's what we've been trained to do. And I think if you still have this mindset upon graduation, you already lost the game. As you're graduating, you need to start thinking, how can you get into business on your own? Because I promise you, if you don't start thinking that way, in this new economy, you're going to be one of these people driving for Uber, or you're stuck at a job that doesn't pay you well and you're struggling to pay your bills. Unfortunately, this is the fate of millions of people. Millions of graduates are going to have to face this harsh reality. And nobody's ever going to tell you, by the way. Nobody close to you or around you is ever going to tell you this harsh reality, but I will, because they don't want to hurt your feelings. We're now going through an AI revolution. We're way past the information age. There's so many people that are graduating. I've only seen a few that have accepted this reality that AI is here. We're going through an AI revolution. Very few people I've seen accept this reality. 99% of people, they're not accepting this reality. AI is here. It's going to replace so many jobs. Unless you're into the trades, I'm talking about plumbing, electric, HVAC, stuff like that. It's going to be very, very difficult for you to find a job in this new economy. If you're in healthcare, you're good. If you're a nurse, caregiver, and stuff like that, you're good. If you're in the trades, you're good. But you need to start thinking smart. You need to start thinking differently as you're graduating. Don't be out here like sending out resumes. You're wasting time. You're wasting time. Do you know how many people that are older than you, slightly older than you, maybe 5 years older than you, that are still sending out resumes and not getting any jobs out here? So many, millions. Don't be like them. Don't be stuck like them. Start leveraging AI to solve problems in your industry. Whatever major that you're graduating in, say you're graduating as a nurse. How can you solve problems in that industry using artificial intelligence? That's how you need to start thinking. Once you start thinking like that, you're already winning. You're already ahead of the 99%. It's not easy, especially if you're surrounded by a lot of people that are not accepting this reality, because there's going to be people that are older than you that are giving you fake information, bad information, tricking you into slavery. Okay? You need to be around other winners. You need to be around winners that are already leveraging artificial intelligence to take things to the next level. Because if you're graduating, that means you're already in the mindset where you're ready to learn new skills. So continue learning. I'm in my 40s. I'm still learning. Every day I have to learn a new skill using AI. For example, just recently, yesterday, I learned a new skill on how to use AI voice to answer my sales calls. It's amazing. That means I can use an AI agent, to start doing sales for me while I take naps. And I love taking naps. And that could be you. I hope you guys got some value from this video. If you're ready to take things to the next level and start a business, then schedule a call. I'll put a link in the description of this video. You need to be around like-minded people.